English with foreigners.
Yo! I bought this shirt from BITU store and they're having an amazing promo. This shirt is so comfy and fab. BITU? Promo? Comfy? What are these words? They are shortened English words you must know. Let me show you more. Comfy. Comfortable. This blanket is so soft and comfy. Promo. Promotion. This shop has an excellent promo today. Fab. Fabulous. These jeans look fab. Undies. Underwear. Pull up your pants, your undies are showing. Meds. Medicine. Has he taken his meds today? Now, do you know what BITU is short for? Comment below. To learn more words like these, join BITU today.
Download BITU Let's Speak English app on Google Play or App Store to practice speaking English every day. See ya!